What do I like about working on the BOOZHOO Not a BOOZHOO podcast? Where do I begin? Who says I like working on the show? No, I'm just kidding. Let's see, what do I like? Oh, it's a living. Yeah, it's a living. I work with my brother, so I get bossed around a lot. See, I'll tell you the truth. Working here, it's not about the work. At the end of the day, we're like a family. We're like one big family here. Sometimes I think about some of these boys as my own kids. Isn't that funny? I'll tell you what, it makes me proud. The Bear Clan are very proud. And I guess doing my part to teach the language to the Anishinaabe, well, that makes me pretty darn proud. And I don't mind telling you, I take my job pretty seriously. I do. I really do. And, I don't know. I guess I like working here. People are pretty nice. What else am I gonna do? It's a dog's life, that's for sure. It's funny. Man gets to an age where life can still be surprising. Anyway, listen to me carry on. All right, you want me to announce the show? The Bear Clan. I know we're known to be the medicine clan and the protectors. We patrol the perimeter. But, we're very proud. We're also teachers. And so if I can teach the language to the children, well, that makes me proud. What was the question? Yeah, sure. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. Welcome back. The BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Mukwa. Mukwa and Indigenous is how we say that. I am Benjamin. Benjamin Indigenous. Benjamin is my name. I am Anamosh. Dog. You're watching the BOOZHOO Not a BOOZHOO podcast. Now please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Take it away, boss. All right. And today, I thought we would do something a little different. We do different stuff all the time. Sometimes we sing songs and we don't even teach Ojibwe language. Sometimes we just, teach Ojibwe. And, you really can't please everybody all the time. Mostly people are pretty indifferent. But, once in a while I'll get a letter. It'll be like, hey, enough with the songs. I've come here to learn the language. Or people take it really seriously. Hold on. Well, I'm trying to learn the language. Quit talking about your grandma or whatever. But if this is the only place you come to learn the language, come on. There's so many websites to learn how to speak Ojibwe. And if you can't be bothered to learn any other way, this is a kid's show, alright? So I was thinking today, what would I like to say to the kids, to the viewers. And it's weird because sometimes I think, the viewers are all grown-ups. But,
That's how we do it around here, right? Oh, what? Alright.
It's I actually know there's some kids that just do. But so I know a lot of you guys are being homeschooled, and you're not sure how to feel about this. They're closing the schools. Will they open them next year? I think so. I don't know. But schools have never been great. And I found this thing. There was a poster at the school I used to work at, and they had these Ojibwe sayings, and they were like Ojibwe terms for the school. And someone sent them to me because I was like, "Oh, you'll like this." And right away there was like the Ogama Kandawenan, and they called it the classroom rules. Well, it's kind of like the boss's rules. And then right away, Weweni, Bizindan. Weweni, Bizindan. Listen carefully. And I started thinking, it's like, yeah, of course, you must listen carefully. Follow directions. Kikanutao, follow directions. But then I was thinking, what I wish someone would have told me is to question those directions. Gagwedwewin. Question what they're telling you. The story of how, pick anything. I've been debating whether or not to bring up science and what they teach. The historical or scientific facts of the theory of blank, theory of whatever. And it's the same thing. Oh, well, you can trust us because there was this guy, and here's a story of the history. His name was Einstein, or Galileo, or Copernicus, or whoever. And, just like the presidents. They'll tell you, these are great men. They never lied. And then you'll go, how come every picture of these guys, these founding fathers, they all got the hidden hand? Oh, well, that's just a secret sign for the Freemasons. It's a secret organization with, links to Baphomet and Satan worship. And, George Washington was he worshipped Baphomet. He had a sculpture made of himself in Roman garb, and there's a whole creepy history there.
Oh, what?
But we're not going to cover that. This is the story of George Washington who never lied. I don't know. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, school. What a tragedy that you don't get to sit through a lot of that.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Benjamin. I am Anamosh. My name is Mukwa. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin! Minawa! Awa! Awa! Hey, if you like the show, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Why don't you? Thank you for watching. Miigwech gana wabi egg.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from the dark, cold hotel room. In the endlessness that you feel, you're pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. Hey everybody, won't you be an angel to these animals? But if you want to support the show, you can click the link and become a Patreon supporter. And Patreon supporters get, for $5 a month, you get this cartoon by Michael Lyons. And for $10 a month, you can get this, like, snow on skin. And it's a BOOZHOO coffee table book. And, otherwise, leave us a tip on PayPal. Yeah. All right. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You're pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Oh,
That was beautiful.
yeah.
And by the way, I'm not really Sarah McLachlan. Whatever her name was.